Hey, this is Shay with Carolina Web Pro. Today we're going to take a look at how to add categories and products to Prestashop. It's a pretty easy process. Once you're logged into your administration area, you'll just go over to Catalog. You'll hover over Catalog. First we'll take a look at categories. So you click Categories. There'll be some default categories with your installation. All you have to do to add a new category is simply click Add New. At this point you can give the category a name, and you can give it a parent category if it's like a subcategory of iPods or accessories or laptops. Give it a description. You can associate an image with it. Give it some SEO, some meta title description and keywords here. And then when you're done, you just click the green Save button. Now here's the thing, if you're going to add another category, after you click that Save button, if you click Add New without going back to List, you're going to create a subcategory of the category you just created, and that's where a lot of people make a mistake. So what you'll do after you've clicked Save is you'll want to always go back to List before creating another category, unless you want to create a subcategory of the one you just created. And that's pretty much it with categories. It's pretty straightforward and to the point. Products, same way. Hover over Catalog, click Products, and then we'll click Add New. And then you'll have all the tools necessary to go ahead and add your product. All of your options are here on the left. You'll start out with product name, and you can give it a reference number. And here's where you put your description. Pretty straightforward and to the point. You've got all the tools like you'd find in any other kind of what you see is what you get editor. You've got the HTML button if you need to add HTML. This is the short description, which will appear beside the image at the top of the page. The long description here at the bottom, it appears at the bottom of the page alongside reviews. This is a good place to put your specs and sizes and other information that's maybe not quite as interesting. Put your salesy stuff up top here. And what you'll do next is you'll click Save and Stay. And then you'll go to Prices. And this is where you can put in your wholesale price, what you paid for the product, so you can keep track of how much profit you make. And then you put your retail price here. You can choose your tax bracket here. And then, of course, you click Save and Stay. SEO, you just pretty much go down the line here. Associations is where you add it to a category. If you have home checked, it will appear as a featured product. Uncheck home and put it into the appropriate category. If not, click Save and Stay. Shipping, you can add individual shipping to this. If this particular item costs more than your standard shipping rate, you can add it here. Combinations, I've got another video on combinations and adding variables. You can check that out, but it's pretty straightforward and to the point too. And then probably the most important thing is images, and it's straightforward. Upload an image. You can highlight a couple here and then use control, hold control, select your images, click open, and they will upload. No big deal. And that's pretty much it. Save and Stay, or back to List, and you'll see you've got a new product. Product 1. Here we go. So anyways, hopefully that answers your questions about adding products. It's really straightforward and to the point. Just sort of go down the navigation list there on the left and make sure you fill out all the information properly, and you should be good to go. If you have any questions, just leave them in the comments box below, and I hope this helps someone out, and thanks for watching.